Sabi lang noon, hindi kinakailangan magbayad.
Mag-behave ka? Behave ka. Ako sumasakit na ulo ko sa'yo. Ano? Kobe, come here. Baba. Kobe.
This chair is speaking. Okay, what's the pleasure of Congressman Adong?
That was a manifestation, Mr. Chair. It wasn't a question.
Harper.
We don't have to respect for to Secretary Roque, whom I still respect. I do not need any response from him.
Okay, thank you so much.
Harper, no. Anong pantalon mo hinihila?
Congressman Representative Adjo.
Ang ganda-ganda naman ni Lacy. Napakaganda naman ni Lacy. Stop. Ay, nako.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Chairs, let me go back a little bit because there seems to be some concerns that have yet to be addressed fully by this committee. And this is in relation to the meeting that took
Chloe, ano yan?
between
Chloe May?
9 to 9.
Chloe, come here.
And
Ano awayin?
that was
Napakasiloso naman ni Harper.